Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we will do a very important topic of static GK, that is world's highest, smallest, longest and biggest. So we will include it in the revision series of military nursing service. So here we go. The first question is largest airport, that's King Fahad Airport in Saudi Arabia. The second question is highest airport is in Bangda, Tibet. The third question, tallest building, that's Burj Khalifa. Fourth is largest bay is Hudson Bay. Fifth one is longest big ship canal. Longest big ship canal is Suez Canal. The sixth question is busiest canal is the Kiel Canal. The seventh one is longest epic, that is our epic Mahabharat. The largest diamond, that's Kalyan Diamond. The ninth question is largest island, that is Greenland. 10th one is largest mosque, that is Masjid Al Haram. The 11th one is largest delta, that is Sundarban Delta. The 12th one is largest desert, that is Sahara Desert. 13th largest lake, Caspian Sea. The deepest lake is Baikal Lake. The highest lake is Titicaca Lake. 16th one, the largest freshwater lake is the Superior Lake. The 7th one is largest coral formation is the Great Barrier Reef. The 18th one, largest continent is Asia. Smallest continent is Australia. Largest country by population is China. Largest country by area is Russia. Longest dome is World Peace Monument Dome. Tallest minar, that is freestanding, that's Great Hassan II. freestanding में tallest मीनार कौन सा है? ग्रेट हसन 2. द लार्जेस्ट सिटी पॉपुलेशन वाइज, सिटी में सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन किसकी है? टोक्यो. हाईएस्ट सिटी इज वेनचुओंग इन तिब्बत and the largest city is the Tokyo. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. If I will come up with more new series, and मेरे हिसाब से मैं पूरे topics cover करवाऊंगी. And this year I got 123 marks in MNS. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. मैंने जैसे पढ़ा था सारी strategies along with all the videos from where I have prepared and the topics, I will cover all of these. So please subscribe and like more and more, so that it will be more motivation for me to make more videos. Thank you.